same. Large animals, small animal, foodborne, waterborne. So because they are the camp, construction camp also there.
Yeah.
So this all refer to okay.
Ergonomics no major concern. Refer to height.
Refer to oil only.
Right.
Same thing. Why
Vibration.
operation machinery covered here?
Correct.
Yeah, vibration is there.
Vibration there. Yeah.
Operation is there. Lighting is applicable. Lighting is applicable.
Night working. Yeah.
Night working. And control also there. Upward location of workers also there. Put in weight.
Congestion.
Because there is no congestion area, so you put weight. Okay.
This may destroy this. Refer to height we can put.
All occupational.
Yeah. Refer to height for this one. Working planning. This one throw height. Psychological we put throw height. We could be remote working. Trauma, shift, fear. This is weight, right?
Yeah.
Security, no
space. Like it is
no concern.
It's not a weight, right?
No additional concern. But no additional concern.
That is part of CISPA, right? Your site is inside the CISPA. Yes. So there won't be threats or no.
I put no additional concern.
No additional concern as current site is within CISPA. As current
site is
within CISPA.
It is
within CISPA.
CPA.
Actually, it's changed to National Guard now.
Okay. Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Assault is also not a little bit put here.
No, that is okay. That is not applicable. Assault, sabotage, not additional concern. No. So what is not additional concern? Only privacy is CISPA. Otherwise, the assault is internal issue.
Okay, no additional concern. Okay. Theft is not additional concern, right? No specific issue.
No specific applied.
Cyber, no additional concern. Correct?
Yeah.
Land, water, air, this will be referred to elevate. Correct?
Yeah. Okay. Medical facilities, we have to see the medical fitness of the thing when we go.
OHID. Refer to OHID. High level noise. I think let us keep it here and we'll also.
Your construction equipment is coming here, yes.
Yeah.
There is safety here.
Yeah, noise exposure, noise induced hearing loss. 3. Reputation 1. 3C. Muff, self distance, jaw rotation.
And what else? Warning and slingboard. Warning and sign. Slingboard you put sign. SIGN.
So which one?
First one.
One is SIGN.
Yes,
SIGN, yes.
Okay.
Right. I think this is applicable. All are correct. Medical. 3B. 3B, right? 3B. Siren, use of siren?
There is no siren outside.
Remove it.
No, remove it.
Intrusive noise is not applicable.
Rig
is
not applicable.
Not applicable.
Moving activity.
Entire rig. This is also rig moving is not applicable.
Rig moving not applicable.
Interface. You have any interface? This is very important now.
Interface, we have an interface with the existing facility, like you are having sharing common road or sharing something with existing one.
Inside the site, no. That is
because you are in common road between your site and the next to your refinery, right?
Yes.
There is a common road.
No,
But
that
there-
is outside the roads.
But you are not going to approach that road.
No. Because this site is.
But what about the crossover that you say soil protection and all going to do it? Right? You are
That
going
is
to
no.
you are doing from the top or you are doing from side?
Site, inside the site.
Not from the roadside?
No.
You got my point. This is existing road. This is a bound refinery. And there is a road in between. And this is your side.
Yes.
Right? This is the like you are putting slope.
No,
The slope production you do from where?
Fence, sir. It's very far.
Okay. So do you have the sufficient approach inside the fence you will do from the
Yes.
slope production? Okay.
So no interface, right?
No interface. Okay.
So I
And
would
what is the existing one when you are saying the existing protection? What are the existing facilities we are saying the protection will be able to provide? We are existing line or something we are protecting?
Inside our fence area, probably there is no existing lines, nothing.
Or you are seeing the scope work, you are writing existing facility of existing facility protection, something is there in your scope work.
Can you say?
No, identification.
Yeah, the protection also there. So is there any existing facility which you are going to protect it?
Just check it.